Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So I'm just going to be giving you guys an update on how things are going with the Amazon Influencer Program. At this point, I'm going to be giving you guys my week 10 numbers, and so far in my first 9 weeks, I've made almost $400 with this program. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Amazon Influencer Program, basically if you have any type of social media following, you could sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program and create video reviews, which shows up on Amazon products. So when you're scrolling through the pictures on any Amazon products, sometimes you'll see the video, and basically people can make videos showcasing the product, and when people purchase that product after watching a video, the user who actually made the video showcasing that product will get a small commission. So I started towards the end of November in 2023, and things are going pretty well. So trying a different format today. Previously, I just showed you the spreadsheet. At this point, I'm just going to do a full screen video. So let me know which you guys prefer. Do you guys prefer this version or just seeing the actual spreadsheet? So like I said, first 9 weeks, we made almost $400. So for week 10, we published 7 more videos, giving us a grand total of 154 videos. And in week 10, we generated over 700 clicks. And in total of all my clicks for the past 10 weeks, I've gotten over 6,000 clicks on my videos. And in terms of sales for week 10, we got 70 sales, which is pretty awesome. It's on the higher end of things, so we're returning to decent numbers. And since I've been in the program, I made almost 600 sales so far. So how much commission did I get paid for 70 sales? I made $75 this week. So $75 in a single week, pretty awesome. And $75 averaged out to $11 per day for this week. And as you guys know, my current goal is to hit $17 per day, which would bring me at $500 a month. So $75, pretty awesome. I'm very happy with that number. And at this point, how much have we made during our whole time within the program? I have made $465 in my first 10 weeks of being in the program. Again, I think that's fantastic, especially only having 154 videos. Going to be continuing to publish on a average of 1 video per day, because I feel like that's enough for me to produce quality videos, in addition to just not publishing just complete trash videos that I'm not happy with and that won't convert to sales. So that's where we're at currently. Well, if you guys have not even looked into this yet, I would highly recommend it. This is probably the easiest side hustle that I've ever been a part of. Just getting an Amazon product, or a product that's actually sold on Amazon, using my smartphone, recording a minute or 2 video just showcasing the product, giving a quick demo, and then talking about the product for a minute or 2. It's the easiest thing that you could do. You don't need any fancy equipment really. All I have is my smartphone and this microphone that I'm currently using, which cost me I think around $20 or $15 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And of course, I will get a small commission if you decide to purchase it after clicking on that link. But I think this is a decent microphone at a very affordable price. And using the Amazon Influencer Program, you get paid pretty quickly. It didn't take me that long to make my first sale. My first week, I published 30 something videos and was able to make my first sale after a couple of days of the video being live, which is just crazy. My first week in the Amazon Influencer Program, I actually made $16. So just starting something online and trying to make money online could take a while, but in this case, it did not take super long. So I'd highly recommend at least looking into it if you have any type of social media following. I've heard that people are able to get into the program if they have a couple hundred followers on TikTok. There aren't any set requirements that Amazon has published so far, but maybe by the time you watch this video, they'll put something out. But either way, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.